Mary, look at me. I run very fast today.
Be careful, John. That is too fast.
No, I am fine. I do this every day.
John, please slow down.
I am strong, Mary. Watch me.
John, hold the...
Whoa! Ah!
John, are you okay?
I am on the floor.
Yes, you are on the floor.
The treadmill is very fast.
I know, I said that.
My water bottle is far away.
I see it. It is near the door.
Can you help me, please?
Yes, but first, are you hurt?
No, just my pride.
Good. Next time, listen to me.
Yes, you are right.
I am always right, John.
Yes, you are always right.